what I was taught, the way I learned from other folks in the business is be honest. Don't just say, yeah, no, and it's not. If you don't know, I was taught and learned to say, you know what, let me check your policy, and I'll get back to you.
Yep.
For all I knew before I started this, is the policy was 1,000 pages, and I don't know how to read any of it.
Right.
So they're going to go back and say, well, at least he's going to look in the policy and see. You come back and say, you know, after further review, which you did, and you asked for help, I got help, further review. Unfortunately, it's just not covered.
Okay.
This is where it is in the policy right here. It's not
Okay.
covered.
Right. But you need to know how to decipher that too. You need to know what the damage is from the storm. Suppose you have wind and hail, whatever. You need to know how to decipher that damage versus, you know, or log floating into a garage door from flood damage, or was it something else that hit the garage door and they're just trying to claim that? You need to know how to look at all that stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So that comes with, and I use this term loosely, experience. But how do you learn experience? By being out in the field.